Hey, what's going on? Today we're gonna figure out how this Cobb skin is reactive in Fortnite. And as always, welcome to the LazEe Panda. So here we are. This is Cobb. He is worth 1,200 V-Bucks to get him. This is him right here. With Cobb, you get this one, which is the reactive style. This one, which is not reactive, and then Afro popcorn head Cobb, and this is how he becomes reactive. These two skins aren't reactive though, as you see, non-reactive, full pop. So let's jump into Battle Labs. We'll show you guys some gameplay, and we will show you how Cobb is reactive. All right, here we go, Mr. Cobb. He looks like a knocked off Peely. I really like the skin. You can see his corn husk, his hard corn muscles, looking great, Mr. Cobb. Let's do a little tippy tap so you guys can get a full view of Mr. Cobb. Here he is, look at that. I really like him. I think it's a great looking skin, and I like his reactivity too, which we're going to show you right now. So Cobb's reactivity is with damage taken, so as you see, he's got more popcorn on his head now, and if we take more damage, he gets more popcorn, and the popcorn just flies off after it's done. So the more damage he takes, the more popcorn falls on his head. Let's check it out. Look at that, full head of popcorn. So that is reactivity of Cobb. When he gets damage, he gets popcorn on his head, then it flies off just like that. One cool thing about Cobb is when he emotes, his face changes with them. Look at that. He's smiling. This is him doing springy. His mouth's changing, his eyes are flickering and squinting. Mashed potatoes. Look at that, look at that. You're adorable, Cobb. Thanks for tuning into the LazEe Panda, and we'll see you guys next time.